Bakit ayaw namin dun is ang laki ng tax. Imagine, kahit pa sabihin mong free schools, free hospital, which is yun nga yung kinoconsider namin kung bakit gusto namin dun, is para dun sa anak namin. Nakakaltas din naman sa ganun kalaking tax. Huwag na lang.
So sabi niya, first is napakalaki ng tax. And
That's
true. It's true mga ka-wonder. Napakalaki ng tax talaga dito sa Canada. And it's because maybe siguro of the government system na federal. Kasi kumakaltas ng tax si federal, kumakaltas din ng tax si province or si city nyo. So, kung anong territory kayo na nakapunta.
Kaya di po mayaman ang nasa Canada na nasa abroad na.
Totoo. Hindi naman lahat ng andito sa Canada sobrang yaman na. Like, sa amin, nasa stage pa talaga kami na we're starting from scratch. Kasi nga, di naman kami well off din sa Pilipinas. So, we're trying to find the best possible na opportunities na pwede naming ma-acquire dito sa Canada. Kaya nakipagsapalaran. Nag-venture out kami dito. And yes, the tax is big. But the good thing is, tama naman sabi niya, schools are free, hospitals are free. And that is true. Kasi for schools, yes, free ang schools dito. Though sinasabi naman nila, it's a public school, but you cannot see any public school na super ganda ng facilities nila mga ka-wonder. They have gym class, they have napakalaking gym, meron silang music room, meron silang computer room. Lahat ng necessity para ituro nila sa bata yung dapat maturo, meron sa school. And it's not to discriminate or to look down yung anong meron education system tayo sa Philippines kasi ini-improve naman yun ng government. It's just that nahihirapan yung government natin i-improve kasi nga hindi ganun kalaki yung tax na kukuha din nila sa mga tao na nagtatrabaho dito. Yes, it's true, malaki yung tax, but nakakapag-benefit yung mga bata.
Yes.
Aside from that, ano masasabi mo sa school?
Yeah, with the school, my kids enjoyed much the school. Especially Gea, because Gea is not fun of really going to school. Gea was able to experience like nursery sa like doon lang sa aming lugar. First hand, she experienced it here sa school within the same school ni Gea, and I was really surprised because she really loved it so much to the point that she really wanted to go to school, and then she had already a best friend on her own. So it really inspired us more to work hard here, to like really support the kids kasi the bottom line is we're not here for just us alone. It's really with the kids already.
Future para nila.
And in regard with the healthcare, yes, because I experience it firsthand. I do have a medical problem which I will not be able to divulge. But
just a glimpse in short.
But what will I able to share is that the healthcare experience that I had here is really superb, because they would really call you,
monitor you,
follow up. Oh, you already have a schedule for this and that, and which sa Pilipinas hindi mo ma-experience yun, because you are the ones, like ako pa magpapa-appointment dun sa Pilipinas, and ang hirap din ng appointment dun sa Pilipinas kasi there are only specific number of people na mag-a-acquire na din. Though dito naman rin mahirap yung appointment, and like for example, I am called on this specific day today, but my appointment is still a month away.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, it's still a month away. So anytime mag-happen in 1 month, between 1 month of waiting, I can still go to ER.
Yeah, tama.
I can still go to ER. So I am well monitored. Luckily, I am still alive.
Currently on medication.
On medication, and the government here in Canada is really taking care of me when it comes to healthcare.
That's true, and that's one thing that we're really, blessed for, because again nga, hindi naman lahat ng tawag nito, the way the healthcare sa atin sa Pilipinas libre. Dito kasi talaga literal na libre yung healthcare. Though merong hindi lahat ng, like for example dental, yan mga areas yun na hindi. Kasi ibig sabihin healthcare is yung basic mo na healthcare needs.
Like medical.
Yeah.
Medical side lang. Kasi on the prescription, I am paying out of pocket a certain percentage.
So this is important why you need to have insurance.
I am paying an insurance with the company that I am with right now, so that I can be able to afford the prescription kasi mahal yung medication ko. So it was
in short, yung gamot medyo may kamahalan.
Yes.
Pero that's why you need to have an insurance because it will take 80% of the price of the medicine. You only need to pay 20%
out of pocket lang.
Yeah.
But overall in a healthcare experience, I would not trade paying this type of taxes na kinakata sa amin sa sahod. It's good for me to be able to pay this type of taxes in exchange for a good healthcare.
That's right. Kasi sa Pilipinas din naman mga ka-wonder, may tax tayong binabayaran. Pero kaso nga, ang nangyayari is, yung mga natatax, yun yung mga less nakaka-receive ng benefits. Dito, equal yung benefits na makukuha ng lahat. So, in terms of education, in terms of in education, pinag-uusapan natin hanggang high school lang ha, iba yung college. In terms of the healthcare dito, na talagang yes, may iba siguro na nagtatanong, may ibang nagsasabi na pupunta ka ng ER ng umaga, ma-entertain ka ng madaling araw na the following day. Yes, there are instances but not all across Canada. Merong mga instances lang sa iba't ibang cities, provinces, or territories na ganun yung situation. Kasi nga, reality dito sa Canada, they really need healthcare professionals. Yun yung mga in demand talaga dito.
Kasi we experience also that going to an ER with Gea.
Gea
had an incident vomiting because he accidentally
fell dito sa bed.
So we had to wait like 2 to 3
hours before we were entertained.
Yes.
But still, it's worth it naman. Kasi nga, wala kaming binayaran ni piso o ni $1.
All you have to be is patient.
Yeah. And then, aside from that, you need to ensure that you will get the health card. Because if without the health card, you cannot avail free healthcare services dito sa Canada. So, that's one thing. So, as my wife said, it's parang, hindi siya kawalan i-trade ang malaking tax kumpara sa benepisyo naman na natatanggap ng mga bata namin at ng healthcare na natatanggap namin dito sa Canada. Recently nga lang, we just had a flu shot free. Sa Pilipinas, may bayad yun. 1.5 I think. Pinakamura na yung 1.5 na price. Discounted na ata yun. But sa aming apat, free lang. Binigay lang namin yung health card. Tinurukan agad kami ng flu vaccine.
Yes, and updated lahat ng immunizations in terms with kids immunization na lacking sa Pilipinas. Ito free. So, for healthcare services, that's what I'm really an excellent job na ginawa ng Canada. It's my opinion.
Yeah, that's our opinion. That does not represent the entirety of the entire Canada. That's what we are experiencing here in Yellowknife in Northwest Territory.
Yeah, so it's a 10 of 10.
Yeah, that's true.